Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Badman. Moving on to today's video. Today we're going to talk, tell you the tale of, Jamaica's most feared crime fighter. Yes, that's one of, the tale of Trinity Gardner and his brother Jokey. Yes, so today's video delve into the captivating story of one of Jamaica's most decorated, feared and respected crime fighters, Trinity Gardner. So join us as we uncover the intriguing tale of Trinity's brother Paul Jokey Gardner, a notorious top shotter from Rima, in the 1970s. And at the time, during that time, there was political war, labor right versus PMP in the city. It's just like how you see what's going on elsewhere in the world, like with Ukraine, Russia try to, take over Ukraine. Same thing. The PMP them all is trying to take over the labor right communities them in the Kingston metropolitan area because they want to turn them into PMP enclaves. And if you are from the Kingston metropolitan area, you would know that 85 to 90% of the Kingston metropolitan area, the ghettos or garrison, what you want to call them, they are PMP communities. Yes, PMP. Yes, and remember, 98% of the men who are in prison in Jamaica, in the Jamaican prison, based on information received and obtained from a high-ranking official from the Department of Correctional Service in Jamaica, 98% of the men who are in prison in Jamaica are aligned to the PMP criminal organization. Only thing that they're good at producing are criminals and terrorists. We can't tell that. They don't create jobs. Any job that creates is right within the government. They don't create job that, you get people, importers to come and set up business. Normally, anytime they come into power, people normally run away from the country. That's why we don't have free zone, Goodyear, and you can name all the companies that was closed down. Jobs left. Jamaica and one went elsewhere. But they won't tell you that. Jobs, several jobs, many jobs. People lose them anytime. But, you just have to understand how it is. So, and whether or not you want to believe, everything that has to do with your life, it has to do with politics. So all little low IQ people don't understand that your life, that you're living, whether you're low or you're high IQ, everything in your life where you live, even at heaven, it has to do with politics. Because even at heaven, I say God in charge, so it's still politics. Everywhere that politics affect your life. So that's how it is. So you cannot have a crime-free society or a society that is hard on crime without you have lawmakers who are willing to go the extra mile, unite. But when you cannot get so you see when you cannot get the lawmakers on both sides of the aisle to come to a consensus that they will take the bull by the horn, and making sure that they have laws that can, take care of this crime monster. Then if that cannot happen, then you're just going to have the same problem because you have two political party in Jamaica registered. Yes, they are a registered political party, but we can tell you here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, although there are two registered political parties, it's only really one. One is a political party, and the other one, yesterday we were talking with one PMP criminal organization supporter, and based on the consensus, it's not even a criminal organization, it's a terrorist organization because of the thing that the PNP party have done over the years. Even when it comes on right now to the murder of Melissa Sylvia, and I'm telling you, we have some shocking details about the doctor who signed the certificate to move the body from there. Hey, it's a big cover-up, you know, from within the PNP. Terrorist organization, you're no criminal no more. Talk to a big wig from within the party, yes. So you know, moving on, you know. So during that time, Juke's name alone, you know, struck fear into the hearts of, you know, residents of Jonestown, Kingston 12 and Arnett Gardens. You understand, you know, the citizens alone. So as one of those men who acted as a political tug for the JLP party, he gained a reputation and instilled terror. Yeah man, Juke instilled terror, man, in the hearts of yeah, you know, the people them in the Kingston metropolitan area that are Trinity brother. Yeah, you understand. So, you know, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you know, we stand for accessibility, treating all viewers and subscribers equally. We believe every human deserves respect, regardless of their race, social standing, educational, or economic status. We value you, and reaching out to us via our WhatsApp number won't cost you a dime, a penny, peso, or any of your phone memory. Yeah. So before we embark on this incredible journey, please, if you haven't subscribed to the Jamaica Young Police Channel, yeah man, please subscribe, yeah man. Select all. After you select all, you'll be able to receive, anytime we release a video, you'll be one of the viewers and subscribers will be able to receive the video. Yes. Give the video a thumbs up. If you thumbs down, that means you're a criminal supporter. You're not supposed to be over here. Because none of our videos supporting or idolizing criminals. You understand? We just speak the truth and the real mama papa truth. Some, you know, the truth hurt only the guilty. We're not here to spread any propaganda for any of the two registered political parties in Jamaica. As we said, one is they both register as political parties, you know, but one is a terrorist organization. Yes. So before we embark on this incredible journey, as we said to you before, if you haven't joined the Patreon squad, yeah, please join the Patreon squad. There's a video right now on there, a new one. There's several videos up there that we had posted to the Patreon squad. You're going to see a live shootout happening in Jamaica where, yes, one of our lights, a firearm holder, yeah man, Liquid 2 boy. I tell you, nice work. Yeah, you understand. So that's why we tell the Prime Minister, say, if it's, you know, every Jamaican who needs to be armed, one's a person have, alright, first, them in a stable job, or them have them own business, them have a mode of transportation, because, alright, you want to say, boy, a man will take bus if you have no license gun. Well, you understand. That kind of make a little sense, you know, that can be, you understand, because, yeah, you want to make sure that at all times he's traveling, but, hey, we still know men who have license fireman and take public transportation and dust out, send a lot of rubber to the departure along, I tell you, you understand. You know, so right here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you know, we guarantee you nothing but the absolute truth. No sugarcoating. So now let's dive into the tale of two brothers. Keith Trinity Gardner, yes, is one of Jamaica's most fearless crime fighters. And his brother Paul Jokey Gardner is both biological brothers, but leading contrasting lives. While Jokey became a notorious gunman for the JLP party, Keith Trinity Gardner pursued a career in law enforcement and gained his fame for neutralizing approximately 80 gunmen in Jamaica. Yes. And they must say, boy, maybe that is kind of a little misstatement based on, you know, police that serve with Trinity and we work and all of them things. And you understand? So we are proud to report that all of Duke children have grown up into successful adults with none following their father footsteps into a life of crime. Yeah man, Jokey hold the title of brother of the formidable feared police officer known as Trinity. In Jamaica, it is unlikely that we will ever witness the likes of Trinity again, an honorable figure who exemplify courage, honesty, and commitment. So join us on this riveting journey to unravel the complete story, brimming with bravery and resilience. Discover the complexities, sacrifices, and triumphs that shaped Keith Trinity Gardner and his brother Jokey's life. So this showcases the true essence of Jamaican fight against crime. You understand? So yeah, we appreciate it. So you know that we at the Jamaica Young Police, we are here to enlighten, empower, and educate you, the audience member. Your support means the world to us. So stay tuned for more gripping story. You understand? So we just want you to, you watch, you listen, and you decide. Just listen what this policeman is saying about Trinity and Jokey. And you know what? We have to try. We want to after we're through with this video, we're gonna make a special appeal to the great Keith Trinity Gardner, yeah man, to come and clarify some things here. You understand? And we'll have to talk to before you have any Trinity, before you have any Leng, before you have any Tony with. There was this one man that nobody talks about except us, a man named Tom Levine. That are the name brand of all name brand police. Every detective emulate this man and try to become him. So I want you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Hi, good afternoon, whoever you are. I'm calling from Georgia. I noticed you mentioned two policemen in your podcast recently. One Barry Hamilton and one Big Youth in your community. First question is, which community were you living in? And two, Big Youth, did you know that Keith Gardner and Big Youth was one of Jamaica's two most feared policemen, and they got the gallantry honor. He was there twice for fighting crime, bringing in most weapons. Did you know that? And I guess you're not so young after all, because that Big Youth, if I can recall, died in a car crash in May 76. So you have to be 60-something, going close to 60, if not over 60 years old. So how comes you become a young police for Jamaica? Get your facts. Which community was he issuing gun? I would love to know, because you could be telling the truth. So enlighten me on to which community, then I will let you know if you're a liar, if you can't name the community. If you name the community that Big Youth should be associated with, then I would say, yes, you are telling the truth. All right? Good, and I know the person's name. And I was a member of the police force too. So, hey, check the gazette, check your police history, and see Keith Gardner, and I won't call Big Youth right name, but Keith Gardner, a.k.a. Trinity, and I give you his initial. His initial is CS, also called Big Youth. Check it out. He died in 1976. All right.
Yeah, man, Wagwan.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you left some allegation on it, and I respond back to you.
Yeah.
As a man where, did you know that Big Youth did have a brother in the force who mentor you? You know that?
Which brother Big Youth ever mentor me?
Vernal Thompson. Detective Inspector Vernal Thompson.
No, sir. Me never work with no Vernal Thompson.
Me not say you work with him. The man is deputy superintendent.
Who you talk? Paul Thompson come from Payne Avenue?
Yes, man.
A Big Youth brother?
You never know say man Big Youth a brother?
No, sir. Me never know say Paul and Big Youth a brother.
Alright, me know you know. But as a man we know, I tell you, the man cut up him and say, you shouldn't have said that about him, especially if you know say him drop out. So me have to calm him down.
I mean, so what?
You must say, which part you, cause him know say him brother at 2 times back-to-back him get gallantry award.
No man,
that's the same thing.
Alright, Big Youth is a man that always have a towel around him neck.
every time because guess what I'm working.
Hold on. So you hear me? Alright, so you hear me tell us every time.
That's why me identify him and I identify
okay, alright. So what reason me have to lie upon him and him thing there? Big youth and police Barry Hamilton. The two of them is should hold up a M16 rifle right at the corner of Love Street and Price Street at Jonestown. Me a little youth them time I see.
Well, alright, you say that. Me can't jump on you. Look here. I don't know of that.
Evil thing now, when name I make your ear on police to confirm me I say and them thing there. Come in tell lie upon people.
You can't say anything else. You know say him and Trinity was the best friend and come from KC.
No, I never know say them are friend and them thing there.
They're not the two of them join the force almost at the same time, man.
But you know say him though, you know say Big Youth and Barry, you know say them is a carry gunman now and remember kill people though.
Me no know who is can't remember who is Barry, you know.
Barry Hamilton.
The only big man that Big Youth ever tell me is him spear, you know. A Trinity brother, you know.
Curly Locks. Jokey.
Yes. That's the only man that him ever catch with a gun and butt him up and take with the gun and say, me here my sitting say, kid, I just take for your brother and I chew your brother, you know. And you know Trinity like, oh we are saying Mr. Youth, you should have just killed the bomber clock. Why? Wait till you should have shot. And months after that, him Jukey see one shoot up Trinity thing.
So he said Jukey shoot up Trinity vehicle?
Oh, you mean a shoot? Then you never know say Jukey shoot Trinity go down there. Virgin, we understand where you try to come with, you know. But when we listen to
look here, hold on, I never did know that Jokey shoot up Trinity.
You know, tell you.
Shoot him up, shoot him up, shoot up him vehicle or his person.
Shoot him go a Rima.
Which part Jokey shoot Trinity? Which part on him body? Cause first me
don't a Rima upon the building.
Jokey shoot Trinity in his mouth?
What you mean if a Jokey shoot Trinity in his mouth?
At first, but Trinity never say a Jokey shoot him in his mouth.
Him not gonna say that.
Why him won't say that?
Him not gonna say that, but me know that. Him didn't tell me that.
So alright, let me ask you. So what is your name?
That's alright, man. That's good.
Alright.
Because you know Ivan Otam see that unfair when Ivan Otam see that.
Yeah, man. Because me know say Trinity did cut. I don't remember the man name right off on right now. That Trinity says shoot him in the mouth. Cause you know
Ivan Otam. Well, Ivan retire now, so you can ask Ivan.
About what?
Ivan about me. Alright, because Ivan is related to me, but
yeah,
it's a small world.
Ivan,
we don't even need to go into that, Brendan.
No,
let me try to tell you. Listen to me, because I live a foreign now. I understand the germs that are going to Jamaica, you know. I understand where you try to.
But look here, a carburation,
listen me out a minute, Brendan. Listen me out a minute. You understand where you try to bring across, you know. We know so we have to try to pressure. I know say, you know, in the political business. But me I say, it sound to me. Remember say no, me don't know if you ever experience going down inside that, not even say, alright, let us go back a little. Did you know that Denham Town Police Station, as law enforcement, Denham Town Police Station is the most shoot-up police station by a community?
Yes, man. By Tivoli, man, and Denham Town.
Yes, man. When time it never shoot up, I when Joe Williams did it. I mean, I don't know if you remember Joe Williams, but that was
man. Joe Williams, I man, I used to read Ambassador Theatre regular, man, and beat man in a Clark's go over here, so be a foot man, this so on.
That mean, you know, even know, say, me and you probably grew up. Because you know which part the youth used to live? Him and the mentor for we, you know. Make we become police. Because he was a young, people think he was old. He was not old. He died when he was 22.
So which part you come from?
No, same place, New Town, I grew up, man. Derek Knight, them and me, and Ronnie and all them boy, be a big youth make we become police.
Derek, which part of Newtown there?
Newtown there between Rima. And so if you talk about, if you say you see man go on Price Street or Love Street or whatever them, then on the bottom of Price Street you have Newtown, have Ralph Lane, down there, so there's a Newtown there. Down there, so George Pang and all them. Like I mean, know George Pang as a little older man than me.
So you say cowboy used to live down in Newtown?
I mean, if cowboy used to
live down in Newtown. I ask him, I never know.
Then a Derek Knight me I talk about, man.
My criminal still though, you know.
Well, we know really get in the most what if a police like so in other words, even when in there. Oh Lord, well sometimes I forget him name. Even do those same used to run passa. Oh Lord. Big policeman man ready a whole up and him give it that a sense man lose him work.
Who that?
Oh Lord. I can't remember his name, man. A big police, but a big police. And biggest name in the police where lose him work. And I'm trying to fight because of criminal. Him and the biggest
look here. The biggest police we ever lose the work a Ling. No other police bigger than Ling.
No Ling, man. No.
No, that's what I tell you. So you can't. No other bigger police. There's no other bigger police than Ling. We lose it. Which part of police bigger than Ling?
What rank Ling it out when Ling lose him work?
I'm a detective sergeant. I'm not even in rank. We talk status. We not talk about. You understand? Unless you talk about rank.
Okay, I think you talk about the rank. You talk about Binuen.
I talk status, yeah.
Okay. Well, Ling was like an entertainer manager still, you know.
No, man.
He make most of the money out of the force, you know, so.
Yeah, but Ling a bad police too and them thing there.
Yeah, them Ling police will come after. Then the police will come after police, and then the police will come.
Ling come after you? Ling come after you?
Long after me. You're a big man for them, man. Even Tika Fabs, they become commissioner of police. You're a bigger man for you, man.
Tissa Fabs.
This first the one we come from Greenwich Farm, man.
Yeah, man, Tissa Fabs, him name, Tissa.
Yeah. We just call him Tika Fabs. Anyway, to make a long story short, I mean, them amongst me youth them still.
So we ask about because me you because if you message on them thing, then you say, boy, I lie me I tell upon big youth and this.
No, but
you want to know what me.
Well, you know, you hear me answer you. Me say identify the community. No, you are telling me a community where include associated with too. We just leave it as that. That is what you say. That is what you say. Draw my statement. That is what you say. But me know the policeman. I mean work alongside him. I mean know say me know. You know Keith Gardner, the way the man that run the place. See, I go eventually call the Keith Gardner personally. Team bodyguard. And the same thing with Tony Stalin. I miss see the man, I work with the man, I miss see man like a youth named Danny Wylands. You know him a bad boy, and Danny know me personally.
No,
and Danny said to me,
you call him bad boy, I call him parasite.
Who that?
Man, you call Badman. Bad boy.
Yeah, right. Well, Danny Wylands. And Wylands know say, if read about the place, he might go respect me, but him say, boy, I may respect you, friend, but you see that man there, you know him the wrongs, the man that kill anybody if him say with God,
Who that?
I mean, just leave it like that. Not that him talk about colleague big youth, him say that man never kill any man. So it surprised me when me hear you say, him a hand out M16. Come here, try to find out who him I get for, because him dead. I saw me I go leave it after a while now.
No outer Central Village him then.
No man. You have the wrong man then, man. That St. Anne's man that vehicle turn over with him.
No crash and then.
He turn over with him. And I saw me I left the force because I just feel say it never investigate right. I mean, just feel say, I just, based on how the man, them family attack, I say, I sick him in the hospital, and them had pull him car in with him, and him alone drop out and dead. And them can't find out, police can't say.
No, I'm between me and
the man dead, listen, the man dead from 76. And me Lego, little after 80 in an election there. Me Lego.
So you know Piggy Williams too?
Who?
You know Piggy Williams too?
Yeah, man.
Where Piggy Williams used to work?
I know you meet there Admiral Town. How are you, brethren? Anyway, I want to usher it, you know. I don't got to try to tell you, sir.
What you want for
when listen, you identify the man correct, you know. You see that man there?
Then look here, between me and them things.
Hold on, you see that man there?
Now tell you, look here.
Why gunman get, you see why gunman get surprised by him? When you talk about toil over him, the man never have a gun in his waist yet, you know. Him gun there over him toil on the top of his shoulder. So him not draw out of him waist. That's how mystic the man is. Enough police and thing, I don't know where him get it from, but I just saw him operate. So when me hear I say, but I'm not one policeman, I know, I'm listening, but I say, me don't know of that man.
Alright, so look here, so between me and them
say you tell lie, I say, me personally don't know of that man. So, me can tell you other man when me can name some other man.
So look here, so between me and them thing, say no, say the man from Jonestown, they push him out of the vehicle. Because Tony Small and tell him to kill him.
Them know that, what you not listen to me? Me say, we never got into these details. Me I tell you, say, me figure out.
Okay. Then the politics make them, them see him and kill him because them say...
Where the boy weighed up the name, where the red boy weighed out, try to run jungle, they don't run, where the boy, the man, the boy with Tony Spalding, in it, them claim say, he may run jungle and clad him as up with a run Tivoli, man. Where the boy, the name, man, and one time he come back after years, you know, you know about him. Because since me up here, me say me come back and blah blah about the place.
Yeah, talk Tony Welch.
Tony Welch.
I Tony Spalding to tell him to kill him because them say him know too much.
You tell me something I mean know.
So that's why them kill him. That's why them kill him. So me not say me not even know say a Paul Thompson brother and them thing there. You understand? But me only know him as me only know him as big youth and them thing there. And me know say them man are not police. Them man was criminal.
Enough people don't know because them not the same surname.
Yeah, me never know say a Paul. So where him come from? Where him come from?
Oh,
big youth. A P Avenue him come from too?
I'm not going to P Avenue. I mean, you may tell say I'm new to him. Eventually go. So, what me know about him as a colleague, we know say in the 70s.
But normally, even when me join the police work on them thing, them once you're born Kingstonian, you can't work. Them not make you work at town so easy. You have to have some political connection. Forget after you finish basic training for work at town.
Yeah, but him never, but you not understand, they never have no political connection. I fight crime, him and Trinity. That's why Siago, politicians have no way to do things. That's why Siago is become, we request personally to keep
but Trinity come from Rima, or at the time Rima was a labourite community, so... But Trinity,
that's the thing when I try to tell people. Trinity was a policeman. He was not a labourite policeman. He was a policeman.
Yes, but no.
The youth was a policeman.
No.
Why do you think they would have wanted to kill him, brethren?
Big Youth was a political activist. Big Youth wasn't a police. Big Youth a big political activist. Me see my issue gun. Him, Big Youth and police Barry.
As a policeman. As a policeman.
Then how you think? Then when that could happen? How may I tell you? You see them at Price Street, the corner of Price Street and Low Street. Big Youth and Barrington, Hamilton. But may I make you hear a police, a detective will know him to one them thing there. Cause if you listen, if you listen to
name the police.
Him name Roy Weatherburn, man. If you listen to what Roy Weatherburn and them thing there, it on the channel, you will hear.
Weatherburn, no man, where I try to show up on the man and them tell Weatherburn say, anytime you come off of work, I'm going to kick you up. Box it on you.
Me?
No, me I talk about Weatherburn and the man.
And Big Youth?
I mean,
so Big Youth.
Did you know? Say the man was, enough people don't even know. The man was in police about 2 years now. A year and about 2 years. I mean, they're on suspension when him dead, you know.
When did they on suspension?
When him dead.
Oh, so that's why them kill. Oh, because Tony Spalding, that way man, him some man, him name, Tony Welch, him some man say, say boss if he kill him, because him know too much. Because I used to go out there with them and kill labor, right? And then them see man come back and talk at Jonestown and laugh about it.
Man, never come out, they go kill no labor, right? That's why me I try to say you have
look here,
kill gunman.
No man. Alright, them say them kill gunman. But listen,
anyway, we don't need to go into that.
No, but listen, listen what I'm saying. You are say them kill gunman, but when them come back in my community and attack, that's not what them say. Them not say them kill gunman because them and gun.
So you live at Jonestown. That's why you tell me now. You live at Jonestown.
Then which part I used to live. And that's my born and grow. Me I tell you when me here as a little youth I grew up. At them police there why me say boy. At them police there why me say when time I more have to change it and kind of police are supposed to behave like criminal. That's why
every time you if you say a little youth them time that them thing they done car plans the man die before 76 election.
Yes, so not before that them issue M16. What do you think?
So if you say my issue M16,
yeah.
Alright, suppose me tell you something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you something. Why may I say where you are said to me no even make no sense.
Yeah man.
I'm gonna tell you this right up now. I'm gonna tell you this right up.
Yeah.
You see when the man lose him work or get on suspension, me and him in a Johnson drive it one day. And my big me up, I'm saying, I'm saying, there you
so why is a big youth?
Man.
Well, no,
so
man, so you say big youth didn't work less than 2 years?
Eh?
You say big youth didn't work less than 2 years?
Big youth in the force, about 73, 72, yes, in the before 72 election, 72, 73, 70, either late 73 or early 74, late 74, somewhere in 74, them go on suspension. You understand me? So if you, in Canada, you should go on, because with 72, before 72 election or 70 whatever election, Portia Simpson, them one boy named Tony Brown, the 4 councillors them out of Tony Spalding community. It win for them seat. And that time him and some other police were the chief police them a bodyguard for Portia Simpson. Me know that. You understand me?
So it seems like you're up in a politics thing to man.
Come from the era, them no must do living in the, you don't come from Jonestown.
No, no. Me a youth and them thing there.
Then me a tell you me come from Newtown and me
that's why me ask. That's why me
a tell you me come. You're police at first.
Which one? So which one you?
Where you are say you see the man in my pricey. You tell me a era where the man supposed to say. So me I say you say see me say me never know of the man as that. So me left that alone. Because me can name every street from in a Jonestown where you say you come from. Me know Puyard Street, Woodward Street, Septimus Street, Love Street, and Love. If you talk about Love Street, that's all the some political headquarters in there. Me no Cook Street. Cause all when them go for the boy, this bad boy, when them one bad boy where that go evade police all along and them go kill him in a house up at Jonestown. You supposed to lick a boy them time that you talk about. What the boy name again, man? One cool looking boy, man, they come from Melchior Street and come up come up there. It was dangerous gunman, man.
Well, it's almost shows a crime up here, you know.
Yeah, but me I tell you, say you say that, you know, you just rest it at that. You say as that, just rest it as that. You say that, you left it at that. That is what you said. Me say me never see the man, me don't know of the man as that.
Yeah, man. Then so how are you? Cause you never there around him and them thing. But you can't if you're on George Pang, a friend, ask George Pang. Cause George Pang will tell you to one of them thing, you know.
Then if you know George Pang, then George Pang a little older than me. But not even older. But somewhere there. George Pang supposed to probably, yeah, George Pang big you probably about to see. Yeah, I can't know, but listen, let me give a history of it before me going Air Force spreading. You see where we used to live, me I tell you where it name. Newtown, down at the bottom of Ralph Lane.
Yeah.
Down there, so them called Newtown. So if you go through Newtown, you go down in Arima.
So it's a cowboy.
So we there between Labour Right and PMP.
Well, I want to tell you something. Young thing.
Well, man. So you say me a political man. Me I go tell you, my mother is there with a man who live at Tivoli. Me walk up and down and youth as in a Tivoli at 24 Funny Terrace. Siago is the only man, politician, will ever give me a gift as a youth.
Yeah.
Me know when Tivoli ban a place, so it's not. So me come up, me respect the people in Tivoli, and me respect the people in jungle as law enforcement. That man cannot accuse me at no time at all in my life.
Yeah.
Say me ever politicize. Me the man take it easy. Just as though if you say in the force supposed to tell you, you know, you support your community where you are from, you know. You're not supposed to be enemy of your own community. As a police, you depend on the community to protect you as you protect your community. That means know if them teach that in your course. So that is a part of policing. You understand me?
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to tell you when
So
you
you
don't know about politics.
So you don't know Barrington.
No guy ever can tell them to me buy up. Because one I think when me know about police.
Well, me ask you something.
One I think when me know about police, you know. Me have a hard time getting in there. And one night time me I try to find out where the man am I going with. I change me address and me I say what wait a minute. But after me come out of the force, and me I realize them never like bright youth in the force.
So how many years did you in Air Force?
Eh?
How many years did you in Air Force?
6.
So what section you used to work in Air Force?
Alright. Me just tell you, listen what me I support. Listen to what me I say.
Me ask you alright, look here.
No. Me no need to be investigated right now. You understand?
I don't investigate.
You need to investigate. Listen to what me I tell you.
So where are you trained? Where are you trained?
Remember when me I tell you now.
No, me ask you a question. So where you trained?
You just need to listen to what me I say. Just remember, if you are take notes in your mind, remember me tell you, say, when a man drop out, I'm find out where I go on. Me leg up just after. See how I go win the election.
So why you leg up?
Political interference on both sides of the aisle.
Well,
political interference on both sides of the aisle, and I've been going back and forth.
Because look here, if me I will defend my man character with dead or him reputation, may I put my name as a stamp of approval. Say me Porter say that me know this about the man and them thing there. But as we say on them thing there, you cannot say it with definitive. Say you can't say this about the man. You just say
no,
you don't know.
Because I said to you, say if you can't tell me the community where you are talking about, you tell me the community. I'm a rest it like that. I just tell the community, I'm just rest it. I tell you, I'm a rest it, brethren. You talk about Love Street and
so you do so you
just leave it like that. So you say you see it.
You didn't know you say hold on, man. You didn't know General Starkey.
You know Starkey me I talk about.
That's why I asked you if you did know him.
We don't know him personally. Somebody else supposed to know him because they might try to describe him to me for him come from down Melchior Street. I may have seen him, but we don't can't say every scene.
Then I don't know Willie Agard come from too. They told them enough to run from down the car, them do upon a little girl. And the man in me want to kill him.
As you talk about Willie Agard, you know, some India Jamaica the same day when Willie Agard, them shoot Willie Agard.
And a little before him left Tony Welch, he left there, you know though.
Well, me don't know the circle, me just know say it's like a coincidence. Every time I go on, 3 times I go to Jamaica.
Yeah.
A 4 times I go back to Jamaica and a 4 times I go down, it's like a coincidence. That's what it is. Me go to Jamaica, and when I go to Jamaica, me over Portmore, because over Portmore, me there. Me hear say, we are going over this thing or whatever, them, because they move it over there. And someone in a box some ninja and a peer gunshot of fire.
Oh, Vibes Cartel.
But in Jamaica again, I mean, I hear say, them shoot, Bogle. So me there Jamaica, like every time I vacation at Bogle, then we go to Jamaica next time and then shoot up, George Pang and me and Yedex, me and driver, me and Yedex.
Hold on, so me ask you now. So you know why them to shoot him up?
I have no idea, because I know it with nobody. We don't know at all.
So you never, remember, then you know, say you know him, so you never find out why them shoot him up?
No, the last time
so him tell you why them shoot him up? Him tell you why the
No, because me and him not talk no more like that. You know him understand. Me not go near the so you know. Me either the hotel or the on vacation.
Yeah.
The closest me ever come to him, one day me over the track and somebody I said I went him the one they asked and they asked it with him. I said, George, what remember? I said, I'm French, I remember. That's the last thing I remember. Because I know what enough people him know say him and the minister of this woman here, a good friend from him grew up as a youth. A girl in street. Babsy Green.
Well, the youth that we shut up George Pang and him thing there was Lucky and Licky Bogey and Rich Dick.
Little Bogle.
Boogie. Licky Bogey.
Okay, because I know there was a boy with the name Bogle.
Yeah, man. Lucky and Licky Boogie and Rich Dick and them did.
Licky Boogie.
Yeah. And them did shut up George Pang. And then come.
Me don't know not that all, brother. And
the reason I know why them shooting.
And then the next time again, me there at Jamaican, Willie Agard get shot. But me I hear one little thing from up a foreigner say me involved in some take with some man thing and just that me here and the man them decide say them I got take him down. That's why I'm here. Yes, but once you continue podcast now, just the advice of a man is supposed to be older and bigger than you know. You see PMP have criminal organization.
Yeah, man, the PMP is a criminal organization, man.
Criminal and criminal party and criminal, but you have to remember.
I have never said the PMP is a criminal party. I say it's a criminal organization.
Oh, them have criminal attachment, whatever it is. But you know
don't misquote me. Listen, let me repeat it. The PMP is a criminal organization. It's not a political party.
The PMP as a criminal organization.
Let me repeat it again. The PMP is not a political party, it's a criminal organization.
Yeah, but that ambiguity that.
Well,
the PMP in itself is called the People's National Party. In itself is called the Jamaican Labour Party. I tend to understand where you're coming from, because I think and the initiation and the thing you were mentioning something if Siago was in power, some of the things wouldn't go on. So the GLP as it stand here now is not a real GLP. So
no. Look here,
about.
the GLP part, this party, this is a Michael Manley party, and him. This GLP party are Michael Manley 2.0, the Prime Minister. And no Siago party, no Siago no exist again in the Labour Party. The Labour Party, Siago, the Labour Party, based on what I have read and gleaned from you, Shearer, to Edward Siaga, them not play with criminal. This a man, the last two personally the Labour Party are two criminal sympathizer, enabler and beneficiaries of criminality. Bruce Golding and
Andrew. I would have loved for you to have said that.
So what may I do now? Hold on, and that may I tell you now. So you just start listening.
No, but hold on.
Hello. No, look here, no. You not tell me for hold on. No, are you? No, look here. I mean, look here.
I'm saying to you.
No, man. Hey, look here. If you not gonna allow me to talk, me I go upon you.
I apologize.
No, if you just listen what me I said, then me I go say what me I said, then you talk. You just start listening to the channel and them thing. If you weren't listening to the channel
that's what I'm saying. Maybe I just start
to
listening to
the channel.
That's why I apologize.
Okay, all right.
So that's
apologize.
What I was saying. I just listen. This is the first time I listen to the channel.
All right.
And the reason why I listen to the channel is somebody who I keep telling them one time about this colleague, a mentor and also a colleague, and how he used to operate with a gun over him towel and a gun over. So somebody hear it and said to me, Prento, this is the police. So I saw me listen to the part. So I apologize because I have not heard you said. So I am assuming that you have said something balanced it. And even the statement you are making now to say that this party, the last two leader, Oles and what them call Bruce Golding, is guilty of whatever you call it, that is not a usurer. So I understand the balance now. Now that you are saying it to me, I understand the balance. So everything good.
Just listen, alright, let me tell you what I'm thinking. Because you just start listening, there's over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you go and listen from the beginning.
That's what I'm saying.
Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Just if you listen from the beginning of the channel, you will hear what I am saying. Andrew Wallace is not a labor right. Andrew Wallace is a socialist. Andrew Wallace is a criminal sympathizer and enabler. Andrew Wallace do not like police. Andrew Wallace is just like the PNP. Him not like police. You understand? Them man, them not like police. None of them. So that's why I always say the people them want back them country from them. If look here, may I show you this and them thing there? That's why most people not like me and them thing there. You see the PNP part, let me tell you.
No, me objective, you know. So, because nobody no put on my part, so me objective, so you can't talk.
Yeah, that's, well, I just saw it go on them thing there. Let me tell you this one them thing there. Between me and you. Andrew Wallace is just like, Andrew Wallace as a politician, as a prime minister, is just like all the PNP them think towards the police. Straight Badman. You understand?
Did you, stick up in it, did you know that Andrew Wallace,
you're gonna allow me to finish talk and them thing there.
Every time I
talk, you want to interject.
Hold your point, Bridget. Me and inquire. Just hold your point. Just one.
Look here.
Mr. Andrew Wallace was a recruit from Siago himself, you know. That's why when you say about no labor right, he was a Siago recruit, and Siago himself take him up and apprentice him. So continue now.
Well, that's how we hear them thing. I don't mean to say because I'm on your portrait hear them thing. I mean to say you're gonna be same.
Oh.
It doesn't. The man is nothing like Edward Siaga. The man not even dirt of a Siaga shoes him can't clean. None of them. The GLP party itself, as me tell you, as me said to you, you know, me said to everybody else, you know, you have two. One is a political party and one is a criminal organization. This GLP party is not the GLP party of you, Shearer, or Edward Siaga. This GLP party is the GLP party of Bruce Golding, criminal. Bruce Golding was not a labourer. Bruce Golding was an opportunist. You understand? Anytime a man is an opportunist, them will do anything to get power. Them not have no core belief or anything. I never call Bruce Golding a crime minister. I call Bruce Golding. Bruce Golding is the worst crime minister. Him even worse than PJ Patterson because him bring Jamaica to disrepute in the international arena with the Dudos saga. I don't care when a guy I don't care when a guy wants to say about say boy it was illegal and this and that. What happened? A MOU is a MOU. I PMP them in a power and them sign it. So this is if you think that Peter Phillips had done something illegal and wrong, you comply and then you complain. You investigate and charge Peter Phillips, then make the police that charge him for do something that is against our constitution. You know go ahead and boy yeah come defend a criminal publicly because of him to make you become prime minister. You understand? So me not have no respect. Them man they are not police. Them man don't like police. And if you notice all of the things them that Andrew Holness and the Labour Right has done from him coming to power, everything is mostly against the police. Coral Gardens, you understand? Not because you don't hear me talk, but it's on the channel. Coral Gardens where him apologize to the rest of them. Up to now, him never go look for a policeman when they get severely injured and die last year from the same incident. A policeman when them chop off piece of him skull and all in a dead house, in a the morgue, them take the man from and bring him in a theatre because the doctor say no, him not dead yet. And last year, December, him dead. Andrew Willis never go look for that, the police there yet. And tell the man, thanks him service. Him dead pan him bed last year, November, December, from Coral Gardens. And him apologize to you, Rasta them. He never up to, him apologize to you, Rasta them, for what them do to the police, and the state, You understand? So that all of them thing there, all of them behavior there, them thing there, that's not. So everything what Buster Manti and Siaga and Ushira did, him just put it on. So that's why I tell you, him is not a Labour right. Him and a Labour right. Them man are conservative. Them man they would do. And look here. Them man they will all bend over. Forget vote and them thing there. Forget power. Them not a core belief. Next thing, after the Tivoli incursion and them thing there, most people feel like say some. Because me call out the PMP and them thing. Me call out the Labour right them too. And me more critical of them than anything. But me just start the truth. With the Tivoli encouraging and them thing there, you notice what Andrew Holness do and me on the PMP. I security force them blame for everything, Then I blame the criminal them, And who get reparation for what happened down there. I people them at Tivoli Gardens. We did say them we dead.
So far, yes.
Sure, man.
The people something happened to the people them down there where up till today's date is not right.
No man, let's listen what I say. What? Will the people them at Tivoli?
Yes, some of the people them get injured during the saga.
No, I don't. Look here. I have no sympathy for them and them thing. Zero. We don't like criminal. They were given the opportunity to leave and they did not leave. Just listen what I
mean. Because there's so much numerous occasions. So
me talk about the Tivoli.
No. Them try get do this.
Tivoli encouraging me talk about. Me not talk about Renita. Just listen me I say. Me not talk about Renita Adam. Me talk about Tivoli encouraging.
Okay. So me just same page now.
Me just show you both political party corrupt and them against the police, the security forces. When everything all is said and done with them inquiry and them thing there, who them condemn from the inquiry? That man from Barbados and the rest of them, and the security force them condemn. So all you expect crime in Jamaica to be better when the security force is at fault, when them they are there to uphold the law. All you expect it to be. And guess what now? The Prime Minister, CM Andrew Holness, what him do? Him came out and him apologize to the people them at Tivoli Garden. The one them will attack the state, lock down the country. And give the people them reparation money. And the PMP them vote for it to give the people them at Tivoli taxpayers money. And the people them at Denantown say them get injured. And up to now, him not offers on condolences to the police them will lose them life. When him name may I look for him name right, him used to die eradication, brother-in-law. Brother-in-law, I remember him right name right now. Me just look for him and him thing. Him used to have the gas pump over Elliston Road. Well, the police them were dead during that and the soldier. Just listen with me I say now. Because I'm passionate when it come on to his security force, Up to now, him not apologize to them and send the condolences to the security force members them that were killed during the incursion.
During this,
You understand? So when you hear me attack on them thing there, And a guy I go say this and that. As me tell you, me no care when a guy want to say, me's a man. You see me, me's all about security of the nation and them thing. I don't care who want to give you and them thing. The only reason why right now, I will more give the labor right them a little edge with the security is because I think them, not because they are doing it, not because they want it, because the people are forcing them to do it. You think Andrew Wallace was on the body? Andrew Wallace is a criminal enabler and supporter. Remember I said before he become prime minister, he used to talk about human rights. And because he realized it's not popular. That's why I'm not talking about it, because the people are the people in our country, poor people, are them are feel it from the criminal them. Them man, they are criminal enabler and supporter. Just like Mark Golding. You understand? You know you say Jamaican have no leadership. We are trying to find a Siaga. Because with them two men there and them thing there, Jamaica is doomed. One is worse than the other. I just saw it go. So me don't know when I talk say and them thing there. Hey look here, me not be holding to no guy, you know. Me not spear no guy, you know. Me not depend on a guy, me not in a guy clan or in a guy pocket and all them
that's
thing.
how good policing is supposed to be.
No, look here. When I talk about that no exists in our police force. Because most of the police them are criminal. And them are look for all the murder.
Want to put most in a because you have some bright youngsters.
Well, look here now.
Because you know why I say that?
No, hold on.
Because it's some unusual thing. Back in my days, criminal and going custody. Which I not say they want to just support, because you are the one of the person who say preemptive strike, but most of them youngsters don't get preemptive strike. I mean, for one reason, as you mentioned it, what they call the Indicom people, them and the
no, look here. Yeah,
and the what they call it, the human rights people kind of drive police from doing what they really need to do.
Well, look here. All right. So when Siaga was prime minister, we used to have one woman named Flo O'Connor.
Yeah, but no Flo O'Connor.
Okay, Flo O'Connor are more PMP than Michael Manley. You know, so them always one thing with them always she used to defend criminal. She know like them used to keep them from in the 80s. Them start in the 80s them start keep stats and police where kill criminal and them keep a list. And Flo O'Connor, she have a son, and one Sunday, I was at work the Sunday. One Sunday, them catch two rear admiral up at Devon House, and you know the mob back then in the early 90s, and the mob went after them, and you understand, and a police and motorized patrol have a fire up shot and save them life. You know what I mean by a rear admiral, right?
Come again?
You know the term, you know the meaning of rear admiral, yes or no?
Yeah, man, no, the rear admiral, it
was
commissioner of the JDF or something.
No, I say if you understand the word, when me say a man a rear admiral, if you understand the terminology, yes or no?
You will know the terminology in terms of the Jamaica, there's four who has the rear admiral, the head off.
Well, that is not what it mean. It mean a man like Kid Ralph. You know who is Kid Ralph?
Yeah, man, when I look at you about him.
Then Kid Ralph no
use criminal.
No, man. So you know what Kid Ralph's speciality?
Rape.
Yes, but what kind of rape too?
I don't know. You have to like I'm not sure where I get that.
Him go boat place, man. Him go run all on that wall.
Okay. I just yeah, me understand, you know. I understand the rear admiral term.
Alright. So the police them are motorized patrol save the two man them. You understand? Young man them. When them reach a university at West Indies, save them life in a fire up shot. So you know police want to contact them next of king. Flo O'Connor, she have one son. And when the police them ask the boy him name and ask who them for contact, and when the boy say, one of the boy say, his mother name Flo O'Connor, the corporal work a motorized patrol in a university at West Indies emergency room, said, Jesus Christ, if I did ever know say a Flo O'Connor your mother, I make them kill you. You know,
that's not good police.
No, man, just listen to me, I say, no. I see by that, the police them take the info. Then I think the contact her and them. And I see him police contact her. Half a 3 police contact her. And it's when the boy when she go look for him in my hospital. You know the boy tell her say if the police them didn't know say I was your son, they would have made the same mob where you always a fight for. We almost kill me because of my lifestyle. If I know police where you hate so much, would have dead. I such a quit the human rights thing because so the same people them must share fight against and them same one say fear son. I suffer O'Connor. You know you're not about her again about no human rights because you realize it. That's why
me have to go in over because they are Cali right now. So they have to go. But the only thing they have to tell us is just a reminder and a reflection. I tell you when me know was a little youth, since I you say youth as a little youth. I tell you when me know was a little youth. As a little youth, me could have moved from trench before it become jungle.
No man, you know.
So come down to and go down. And me know as a little youth. When I pass and when I wasn't such a little youth.
No, look here.
Ebenezer. Well, I know Ebenezer place. And me say, you do a man of them red boy with them and identify that car them as up. And right down there, so then look up a Regent Street with the Spanglers them, and I did some Dudley tanks boy them. So me know say you back in the early 70s, and them man they clear shot you with a fire from their two side. Dudley Thompson boy, the man see I don't
the time to start the problem, you know. I'm bringing the gun in West Kingston.
I don't know who start the problem. I just telling you. But I can't say is Siago give the man them gun.
No man, hey look here. Look here. It's both.
And I know Siago boy them because Massop was there.
Yeah,
Massop.
But look here, you have to understand what happened on Tivoli and them thing there. People them at Tivoli and Rima. They were forced to do what them do with the gun business because they were on a constant attack from people from like my community at Jonestown. The Rima and the Tivoli people, they never used to trouble you and them thing there. Everybody know, you understand? Are we always a trouble them and them thing there? A PMP a troublemaker in Jamaica and Labour, them no trouble. I remember saying, are we alright? May I show you. Me have some friend and all them thing there where.
Guess what me answer now? You remember me answer now?
Where you?
I forgot. Me understand where you
say. Yeah man, blessed love man. Cool.
Yeah, me understand what you say. When nice talking to your brethren and keep up the work.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Yeah.
Yeah, so we did not edit anything out of this video, you know, so as you have listened to that man, he claims that he's a former member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And you're listening, you know, he was literally saying that I'm a liar. And, you know, then I confront him with facts. Because you have to understand, you know, that most people, let me tell you this, most people, when they have them friends and them friends are thief and all them things, they don't want them friends to be portrayed as thieves or criminals. Just like how I have seen, you know, as a little youth growing up in Jonestown, I saw both policemen issuing guns at the corner of Love Street and Price Street. Some of these policemen, although they're past and gone, some, you know, their friends, they're offending to know that I am speaking the truth about them. So because of that now, they say I'm a Labourite. Because my thing is that now, what I have said, and I'll continue to say, what the PMP should have done then, because they're the one that started the problem, you know, they won the seat, and it was by like 200 votes. So they said they have to kill over 200 people in Rima to make sure that the seat is a safe PMP seat. How's that? So that's why I'm totally against that kind of living. Oh, you used to live like that. You kill black people because you want power. We're Stony Spalding now. Dead and gone. So the cult, that's why I said no. This is my mantra. I said give me the book and not the gun. And just by saying that I am a Labourite. That's how ridiculous these people are. So they enjoy killing each other, kill for kill. And then after a while, family have to run away and all them. You know, all people live like that. I know of people who used to live there, but them don't live nowhere else. And because of this kill for kill, them have to move them and them family and them thing there. I see them thing happen all over in the Kingston Metropolitan area. And guess what? Mostly, what the communities them we align with, the PMP criminal organization, in which some people say, boy, it's a terrorist organization, in which I tend to agree, because they say criminal is kind of too nuanced. You have to, you must make it contemporary. You understand? So, yeah, so as you listen from the former member of he said he was a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So hopefully Mr. Thompson, who I used to work with, and Paul Thompson, I not even know say Paul Thompson from Payne Avenue, that Big Youth was his brother. Him say Big Youth died at 22. Wow, I didn't even know that he was that young. You understand? So so in the shocked truth surrounding the tragic incident involving Keith Trinity Gardner, as revealed, by this informant, Keith's own brother, notorious gunman Juke, had been identified as the perpetrator who callously shot him in the mouth. So what he's saying now, this man is saying that all of the other persons suspect that they say shot Trinity is not it was Trinity brother who shot him, and literally he's saying that they frame the others to protect Trinity brother. That don't make any sense at all. I am telling you, that does sound like some rum talk. You understand? So that's what he's saying. So as you have watched, the captivating by this one compelling account of betrayal and violence, which forever changed the life of Trinity. Keith Trinity Gardner, because that he was shot in his mouth. And hopefully we know that you're enjoying, the gripping expose, that challenge the boundary of justice and brotherhood. So we're happy that, you were able to watch and you decide. You watch, you listen, and you decide. And remember, to share your comments below. Tell us what you think about this incident with Keith Trinity Gardner and his brother. You understand? Jamaica, we have come a long way. And as a people, it's just for us to really take back our country, because and we have to take it back from these people. And these people know themselves, We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we know it's the 63 people. Not the little boys who are firing guns on the street, not the popcorns who are buying rifles from 80 and bring them to St. Thomas or Chronic Law. Yes, because both artists, yes, Popcorn and Chronic Law, they have a stash, a cache of high power weapon in St. Thomas. Yes, man. So that's why Popcorn behave like that, say, Badman and them thing. But him don't know that, say, Badman him come on straight to the departure lounge. You understand? So just hope you enjoy listening what this man is saying. As I said to you, I don't believe one thing that he have said, because at first he was trying to discredit me, telling me that I'm a liar. You understand? But the only thing is just that he has, stopped short of accusing me of being an operative. But he understand what I want to get done. I just want, but Jamaica, we over here, we're just trying to save lives of these youths. So them stay away from guns. Because guns, two things guns are kill or you get killed. Once you pick up an illegal gun and fire it. I don't understand. Because most gunmen these don't live that long. So I don't understand how a man love a life of crime when he knows same life man shot. It's just mind-boggling and just crazy. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.